Quick moving system brought some early season snowfall to parts of the region this morning, including at my house across southern portions of Indiana. You can see most of the Lexington market just rain. We did have a little bit of light snow mixing in there, but just to our west, this is the way it looked like this morning from my back deck. About 3.5 to 4 inches of the white stuff, a heavy wet snow. Actually covered the roadways for a period of time as well. There's me sticking the old measuring stick in it, and early season snow, a sign of the times. And guess what? We too will have at least a chance of a little more in the way of some wintry weather over the next few days ahead. Here locally, we started off with the rain, and then we had the cooler weather as it began to arrive throughout the day. That temperature today coming in at 48 degrees, much colder than it has been. After a low of 33 this morning, you can see where that compares to normal. Average high about 57 degrees. We've been much closer to that record high here recently. In fact, if you go through the first 11 days of November, we've averaged, get this, 72.5 degrees. It's been an incredibly warm start to November. And then, of course, it's going to flip on us. The next 7 days, starting tomorrow, our average high is going to be closer to this number here. Low 40s. We have several days in the next 7. Highs will likely not escape the 30s. We're in the 30s now. Very low 30s in Lexington. Wind chills at 27 degrees. It is 34 in Louisville. It is 33 Bowling Green. Very chilly air mass in place. It's going to get colder. And with the temperatures dropping overnight, you factor in the wind. Wind chill values by morning, very low 20s, maybe even a few upper teens. So you're going to want to grab that winter coat, maybe a scarf on your way into service here tomorrow morning. Things are dry with the exception of a few renegade flurries that'll continue to be a possibility after that system from earlier pushing well off to the north, but we're seeing that northwesterly flow aloft, and that's going to help to continue to bring in the chilly conditions tonight. And then later in the week, we'll watch this guy, a little bowling ball, making its way down the west coast. That'll be arriving with our next chance of precipitation. Futurecast showing this here Tuesday morning. It looks like it's going to be mainly rain here locally, maybe a little bit of snow just to our north. So here's your Futurecast overnight. Clouds and some flurries. Yes, zero accumulation. Temperatures in the 20s and then only in the 40s here as we head on into your Sunday afternoon. In the upper levels, watching those upper level temps, we got the cold air parked just to our north. It's going to stay there. It's going to continue to try to reinvade the region here over the next several days ahead, and that's going to keep temperatures well below normal. 27 overnight tonight, a few scattered flurries across the area. Northwesterly wind at 8 to 12. Sunshine and 42 here for your Sunday. Winds out of the northwest at 5 to 15. Temperatures rebounding here on Monday just a bit, 47 degrees. And then we'll introduce a light mixture on Tuesday. A little bit of light snow could mix in. I don't expect any accumulation at this range, 44, but behind it, the unseasonable chill. It sticks around. Temperatures getting even colder. Highs likely only in the 30s here Wednesday through Saturday.